Second chapter, work, energy and power. Okay, numerical. This is first question, 28 page number. This is the page number. Given that when the force is applied, 10 kg force is applied, the body displaced 0.5 meters. So G is given 10 newtons per kg. And first they are asking calculate the work done in the direction of a force. Calculate the work done in the direction of force. Work done is equal to force into distance. We know force is 10 kg F into 0.5 meters. This force is always in the form of newtons. 10 into 1 kg force is equals to 10 newtons. Okay, into 0.5 meters. This is 100 into 0.5, nothing but it is 500. But here one number point is there, so 50 joules. Work done here is how much? First one, work done in the direction of a force is how much? 50 joules. The second one they are asking at an angle of 60 degrees with the force. We have W is equals to F into S cos theta. F is how much for us? 10 kg force into 10 into what is this called? S is distance 0.5. This 10 kg force we will change in the form of 10 newtons. S is 0.5 cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 we know already. This is 100 into 0.5 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 50 is this will become 250 before one number point. This is 25 joules. Work done 25 joules in the direction of angle 60 degrees. Okay, this is the second one. What is normal to the force? When a displaced one is normal to the force, we already said that whenever 90 degrees is there, this is always 0. We already learned that the force and the displacement, force is in this direction, displacement is in this direction, or the displacement is in this direction, force is in this direction, both will have 90 degrees. Therefore normal to the force is always 0. Okay, if you want to explain, you can take it. W is equals to F into S cos theta. Cos 90 is equals to 0. So 0, total work will become 0. This is numerical. Second one, page number 28. Boy of mass 40 kg is climbing a stairs of height 8 meters in 5 seconds. Given that G is equals to 10 meters per second square. So when he is climbing the stairs, the force of gravity acting on the boy, we have to find out force of gravity. F is equals to, we have M into G. From the Newton second law we can write this. F is equals to M into A also is there. M is how much we have? 40 kg 10. This is nothing but 40 kg per meters per second square. This is 400 kg meter per second square. Kg meter per second square is also taken as newtons. So F is equals to 400 newtons. Now second one, work done. Work is equals to F into, yes, second one, this is work done against the force of gravity. Already force we got 400 newtons. At how much distance he moved? 8 meters. Staircase. The boy of mass 40 kg is climbing the stairs of height 8 meters. So it is the height 8 meters. 4 8 is 32. So 3000 Newton meters is called as joules. Work done is. So next third one, power spent. Power is equals to work by time. Work already we got 3200. Time is how much it is? Joule per second will become what? 5 seconds. So 5 seconds this will become power is equals to 5 6 are 30, 5 4 are 20, 40, 640 watts. This is about third one. So we got force of the gravity, work done here, and the power spent by the boy. 640 3 problems. 3 bits are there for this problem. Boy of mass 40 kg climbing height of 8 meters. Time is 5 seconds. Like this we can do the problems in the work. Okay, so work formula using question number 2 and page number 28. Third question, numerical third question. A man spends 6.4 kilojoules energy, displaces the body of 64 meters in the direction which he applies the force in 2.5 seconds. So body, when he applies total energy of 6.4 kilojoules he'll apply, displaces 64 meters in 2.5 seconds. So he's asking to calculate the force applied. So W is equals to F into, yes, work is already given. How much work he spent, how many work he did? 6.4 kilojoules work he done. Force we don't know, and displaces of 64 meters. Now 64 kilojoules we can write it as 6.4 into 1000 joules is equals to F into 64 meters. We have to write this 6400 joules is equals to F into 64 meters, and this is 6400 joules per 64 meters, nothing but 100 joules per meter is nothing but newtons. F is equals to 100 newtons. Now next, power spent. Power is equals to work by time. So here power work is 6.4, nothing but we can write it as 6400 joules by time is how much for us? 2.5 seconds, nothing but 24 joules per second. We can write it one more zero as 25. 64,000. We can write it this 64,000 by 25. I can do it here. 25 64,000. 25 to the 50. 140. 25 5 125. 5 1 0 25 6 2560. So it is 2560 watts. How much this is? 2560 watts. Then afterwards this is changed in the form of horsepower. They are saying here 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watts. So 2560 by 746 horsepower, nothing but it is 3.63 horsepower. If you divide this, you will get 3.63 horsepower. Okay, they are asking the power spent in horsepower they asked. Okay, this is the third question, page number 28. Fifth question, page number 28. So a machine raises a load of 750 newtons at a height of 16 meters. The time is taken for that is 5 seconds. They are asking to find out energy spent. Energy is nothing but work. So how much work is done is F into, yes, we got how much? 750 newtons into 16 meters. We have know that one. 16 0 0, 16 5 80, 16 7 7 7 6 42, 9 10 11, 112 plus 8 is 120, one more zeros. So this is 12,000 joules. This is for the energy spent to raise the load of 750 newtons at a height of 16 meters. Power they are asking. Power is easy. Power is equals to work by time. So work how much we got? 12,000 by time is how much? 5 seconds. So joules per second. 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are. So 2,400 watts is the power spent on that machine. Seventh question, 28 page number. This is the water pump raises a 50 liters of water to a height of 25 meters. Time is 5 seconds. Calculate the power. First we need work. So work is equals to, it is in the form of M into G into H because water is rising up. So it is in the form of gravitational potential. Mass is 50 kgs. 50 liters means 50 kgs. G is given 10 and height is 25. So this is 25 5 is 125 00 joules of work is done. But they are asking power. Power is equals to, now we have to do work by time. Work is equals to 12500 by time is 5 seconds. Joules per seconds. 5 2s are 5 5s are. Therefore power is equals to 2500 watts. Pump is lifting 500 kgs from a depth of 80 meters. The time is taken 10 seconds. Calculate the work done first. Work done is equals to, it is in the form of lifting the water. It is in the form of gravitational potential energy. Therefore, we will take it as mg into h. Mass is how much they given? 500 kgs. And g is already given for us. G is equals to 10 meters per second square. Then this is 10 into height is how much we have? 80 meters. This is meters per second, kg meter per second square. So total mgh. So 5000 into 80. Okay, this is nothing but the next 8 5s are 40. Total 3450 will come. Okay. So joules, this can be written as 4 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. This is about the work. They are asking power at which work? Power is equals to work by time. So work is equals to 4 into, you can write it, 5 zeros you will take it. By time is how much for us? 10 seconds. Then 0 cancel. This is 40,000 watts, nothing but you can write it as a 40 kilowatts. So this is about the power at which the pump left work. Now power rating, power pump, if its efficiency is 40%. Already we know that power efficiency, we got how much actually? 40 kilowatts we got, and he is saying that only 40% efficiency is there. 40% efficiency means 40% efficiency is nothing but 40 by 100, which is nothing but 0.4. So this is, we have efficiency is equals to input by output is there. Input by output, the formula is there. Actually input we got 40 kilowatts and output is 40% is a 0.4. So we can write it that 40 kilowatts by 0.4, what is that? 0.4%. You can write it as a 400 by 4, which is nothing but 100 kilowatt. This is about the efficiency of 40%. Efficiency is how much? 100 kilowatts. So only 40% the pump is working. If pump is working 40%, it is taking 100 kilowatts power. Okay, this is about 8th question, 28th page number.